Alright, you guys, hello there, Informed Beauties. Your girl EuniyceMari here. And so today we're going to just be doing a little bit of a get ready with me. I'm going to show you guys how I do my bun with Marley hair. I tried to go live earlier, you guys probably caught that, but for some reason live won't, it only lets you stream in portrait. And the way that my setup is, like, I don't want to be trying to do all that. So we're just going to pre-film it and throw it up for you guys here. So let's go ahead and let's jump into this. Now, my hair, you guys, oh, it's dirty. It's been about, my wash day was on Tuesday and I missed my wash day. So yeah, this hair here, it's just so much going on with it. But nonetheless, we're going to make it work. You guys can see it's kind of stiff. It got some product in it. But honestly, you guys, if I was to be really real with you guys, for me, it seems like dirty hair is the best hair to work on. I know that may sound weird. If you agree with me, comment down below. But I just feel like when it's when it's not as fresh, like I'm able to do a lot better with slicking my hair down, with ponytails. Like when my hair is freshly washed and I do a ponytail, it takes a minute. Like I have to just wait for it to fully dry and like it's still a little frizzy. But once it dries and it has like remnants of products in it, I get like some really slick ponytails, okay? Hold on one second. So, yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump right into this. So this hair has been, it's a little old. I am going to leave some bang out in the front. So I'm just going to go ahead and section that off and put that there. And as far as the rest of my hair, what I'm going to do first and foremost is that I'm just going to take a little bit of my Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Hold and Shine. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray that throughout my entire head. This is better to me than using just straight water, because it has, what does it have in it? It has coconut oil, silk protein, neem oil. So it adds moisture to your hair, but it also has some of those great benefits to moisturize the hair. So it's not just like it's plain water. It gives the hair a little bit more, something else to it. And I'm running low too. I need to go buy me a new bottle because I'm running a little low. There's like nothing coming out of here, but there's still some left. Don't you just love it when you're running out of your favorite product? You like your favorite product, you're like, okay, time to re-up. But once my hair is saturated with that a little bit more and my hair is moving a little bit more freely, like so, I can just kind of like rub it in, fluff it out, and all of that. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to add in more product. Now, because my hair is already saturated with products, I am not going to go in and use a lot because my hair already has product in it, okay? It already is pretty well gel right here and things of that sort. So I'm just going to use a little bit of gel. So what I'm first going to use is my Shea Moisture Daily Hydrating Styling Gel. I love using this gel for my ponies. They don't weigh down my hair. It doesn't flake up on me or anything. And I'm just going to use this much because I am going to be applying it to the front and the back of my head. So I just take it and glide it all around like so. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to go on with my Main Choice Biotin Infused Gel, just a little bit. And I like this combination for my ponytails. I like using the Shea Moisture and the Main Choice Biotin Styling Gel just a little bit when it comes to my ponytails. And when I say just a little bit, I mean like just a little bit, not even a lot. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply that right on top. Because you guys know I don't use Eco Styler anymore, I just come up with another option. So, and this works really, really well for me. I haven't had any issues. It doesn't flake on me. It doesn't give my hair a super hard hold. And I just take my brush and I just brush everything back. Hold on, let me get my mirror here so I can see exactly what I'm doing. And I just brush everything back. And it gives my hair a nice hold. Like, my hair just holds really nicely with this stuff. And I brush up the back. And then what I do is I take my favorite control paste by Curls. And this is my third step. Now this is just for like it's probably doing too much. You know, it's probably doing the most, but because my hair is so curly, like I have to put some type of paste or something on top to really just slick everything into place. Okay, so that's just like extra slicking everything into place. And then once that's done, I brush everything once again back into place. Making sure everything is nice and slick and smooth, okay? So now this is the fun part. Let me bring this down a little bit. Okay, so now is the fun part. Now this is actually creating the ponytail. So I'm going to take a regular ouchless band. I put it around my wrist like so. And then I just start on one side of my head. Because my hair is super thick, I can't just grab it all and put it into a ponytail. So I kind of gather a little bit like this at a time. So I'll just gather one section like this. And then I will just add in the rest. So like that. And I just kind of work it until it's all nice into a ponytail. Okay. Let me make sure it's where I want it to be really quickly. And then if you have any like lumps and bumps, take a brush and just kind of smooth them out. It happens. And then just grab it all back into a ponytail. Like so. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so once I have it where I want it, I hold my ponytail with this hand, grab the pony off of the other wrist, and I just start to make a ponytail. Just like this. Make sure it is nice and secure, not tight, secure. And that is the ponytail before I apply like the actual hair. So this is the ponytail before I apply the hair to it. It's not as smooth as I would want it to be, but I'm not going to really go crazy over it because my hair is not clean. And it's not the cleanest. So once I have all that set and down, I am then going to go in with this new product that I am trying. Usually I would use my main choice edge control, but I'm all out. I would use this stuff here, but I'm all out. So I did pick up the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel. I will do a full review on it. Of course, you guys are going to know all about it. But I just usually take that, and then I just use that on top of everything. So I just take it, and I just smooth down my whole entire head with it. And I get it. People will say, yeah, it's an edge gel. But you guys, I've noticed that edge gels really work for me as an overall tamer for my hair. Like I can use it on like an entire ponytail. And you know, that's how edge gels work for me. They work different for everybody, but I'm able to actually utilize them as not just the edge gel, but actually like holding down my whole head. And then that's one side of me just doing my edges really quickly. And then I'm going to go on to the other side. And I'm just going to put some here. We're going to get to my bangs in a minute. My bangs are last. And we're just going to lay those down. Okay. So, once my ponytail is pretty good and pretty secure, and it's looking like pretty laid, we're now going to add the ponytail. Now, this ponytail here, I've had it for some time. How I made it is that I just took a pack of the Marley braiding hair. I took about, I don't know how many pieces this is. I can't tell you. I just kind of grabbed a few pieces. And I just took a ponytail holder, added it to it, and you have a ponytail holder. So I'm going to show you guys how I attach this bad boy. Okay. So what I do, turn around so you guys can see, is that I take it and I just apply it around the ponytail like so. I twist it and then I apply it in the other direction. So it's only hold on. So it goes only like this. I only apply it twice, as in like, you know, one loop and then another loop, and that's it. So then now that that's on, what I do is that I do twist my ponytail a little bit like this, just to give it some, keep it together and keep it a little bit controlled. After that, I just take it and I just bring it around the ponytail, kind of covering my little ponytail in a way, like so. Let me see what it looks like so I'm not looking crazy over here. Okay, once I have it how I like it, depending, let me see, that's not how I like it. You gotta like play around with it too, you guys. Like, that's one thing. That's one thing too about like ponytails. You gotta kind of play around with them to kind of get them to, you know, sit how you want them to sit and look how it wants you to sit. Oh my goodness. And look how you want it to look. And it can go so many different ways. I mean, ponytails, you can rock them in so many different ways. Okay. All right. I guess we'll do it like this. So then I'm just going to take a bobby pin. Okay. And I'm going to secure the end. Like that. And then also what I like to do is just to make the hair look a little bit more natural, or to make it like sit closer to my actual hair and not to just be sitting like on my pony so it doesn't look weird. I just take bobby pins and I stick them in different areas just to make the bun more secure to my head and to make it look a little bit more natural when it comes to, like, you know, meeting the head or whatever, or meeting the ponytail. If you guys are understanding what I'm saying. All right, so let's see. Just a little bit. And the thing about the Marley hair is that it just matches my hair texture. Because I don't straighten my hair for ponytails. You know, if I was to do a ponytail with straight hair, it would look weird. Because it doesn't really match my natural texture here. But because I'm doing it with the Marley hair, it just makes it better for me to wear a ponytail with my natural hair. And it's a little bit of a protective style. Also, you guys want to make sure that it is not too tight. You want to make sure that it's secure, your ponytail, but not too tight. If your whole head is like hurting at the end of the day, then your ponytail is too tight. So now for my bangs, I'm just going to brush down, not brush down, oh my goodness, I cannot talk today. Spray down my hair, give it a little bit of moisture. I'm not going to put any gel into this front part because it has enough gel in it. Especially the front part of my hair, it has enough gel in it. So I'm just going to re-wet the hair to activate whatever's already in it and kind of fluff up the lovely little bang in the front. And then I'm also going to go back in with the Mielle Edge Gel, and I'm just going to kind of structure, lay down the front like so. Just so that it's a little bit more neat looking. And yeah. You guys can see all that blonde too is gone. All my blonde that I had is pretty much gone. I have a little bit left on the ends here, but all the blonde is pretty much gone. I'm back to my natural hair color now. It all broke off. Okay, you guys. So pretty much, yeah, that is it. And that is how I just do like a nice bun. This can also go back. You guys see me wear this where it's like back into the bun. But I decided that I would just give my hair a little bit of a break of being pulled in the front and kind of let a side out. It's always good to find balance with your hair. But yeah, so that is how I create my bun with Marley hair. It's just a very quick, protective style that I have been wearing for about, it's been almost 2 weeks now. Me and this bun has been best friends for about 2 weeks now, only for the fact that your girl just really don't feel like doing her hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys took something from this video, from this lovely hair tutorial. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.